I'm here at the Cambridge, Nebraska answer plot, looking at grow staging and talking about what's going to happen the next 10 days of this plot. So this plot was planted April 26th, which was 2 weeks ago yesterday. We've accumulated 97 GDUs at this point, so we should see emerged plants. And I was a little surprised to get out here and see we got plants a little bit bigger than that out here when I started walking the plot. Okay, so we need to determine what stage we're at in this crop. Okay, so how do we do that? Well, that's going to depend on the staging method you used. Are you going by the true leaf method or the leaf collar method? I'm going to go by both just to show you what they are, but I tell you, most herbicide labels really run off that true or like the collar method to help set their restrictions. So we need to pay attention when we're doing herbicide applications and know what stage we're at. Okay, so dug a plant up here and you can see got the seedling here. Here's our rounded leaf. So if we're going by the leaf collar method, you're going to count the collar on that rounded leaf if it's visible, and on this plant it is. So we're at a V1 corn right here because the next leaf up we don't have that collar showing and able to separate that out. So still at V1, going by the leaf collar method. If you go by the true leaf method, you don't count this rounded leaf, go to the next leaf up here and that collar's not visible. So going by the true leaf method, we'd still be a VE corn. Okay, so what's going to happen over the next 10 days? We're going to accumulate GDUs, and it takes 85 GDUs to get a collar to come out on each new leaf stage. Okay, so depending on your temperatures, we could see one, maybe two more collars come out on this crop over the next 10 days, putting us at roughly V3 corn. Okay, so at that stage V3, this plant's still feeding off these the seed reserves that it has in the plant, hasn't developed the root system fully yet, and not relying on that, which is why we don't take tissue samples until we get up to V4, V5 corn or bigger. Okay, so at V3 corn, we still got that crop. That growing point is still below ground, so we're safe in case we get a late freeze here or hail damage, anything like that. But once we get past that V5 stage, when that growing point moves above ground, that's when we got to be a little worried. Okay, so but in the next 10 days, we're going to get probably two more leaf collars come out on this product on this field, and that'll put us at V3 corn the next 10 days of this plot.